Is the problem in your spine? Or is it in the hip? This is the most important question you will ever ask. If you treat your back for a hip problem, then you're wasting your time. If you're treating your hip for a back problem, then you can be missing a serious nerve injury that needs medical attention. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 tests that you can use to find out the source of your pain right now. I've seen patients who come into the clinic with their MRI showing bulging disc, and then they get scared. They think their back is seriously broken. And then when I test them, it's actually not the back at all. The real culprit is the tiny muscle in the buttock area called the piriformis. I've had patients who canceled their surgery when they realized that they were treating the wrong body part. Test number 1, the slump test. Sit on a chair and slump your head and shoulders forward. Tuck your chin into your chest. Now, straighten the leg that hurts. If that recreates the pain that shoots down your leg, and that pain disappears when you look up, that means that the pain is coming from your spine. That is sciatica. Test number 2 is the Piriformis test. First, bend your hip and knee to at least 90 degrees. Then press firmly in the upper middle region of your buttock. When you press firmly on the middle upper buttock region and you feel a deep pain within the buttock, that is a sign of a Piriformis syndrome. Test number 3, the big toe test. Take your big toe and pull it towards your face. Now try to resist it with your hand pushing it down. If the toe in the painful leg is weaker than the other side, then it is possible that your spine is losing its ability to send the signal to the muscle. This usually points to a lumbar disc problem. If you find these tests helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel so we can continue creating videos like this. I had a patient who was diagnosed with sciatica, and we ran these tests and found out that it was the hip. We stopped the back stretches and introduced hip mobility exercises. In 2 weeks, his pain went away. Once you know where the pinch is, it's important for you to know how to move the nerve without irritating it. Watch the next video.